Air conditioner won't turn on. The remote has a normal display but the wall unit doesn't seem to respond. The system is turned on outside. Could it be a problem with the remote or is it going to be more expensive to fix than that? Try changing batteries.
Welcome. If you can get me the model number of the inside and outside units, I will see if I can pull the service manual for you. If you tell me also which country and city you are nearest and which direction you are from the center of the city, I will see if I can find a Fujitsu dealer for you. We will check the manual first, then go from there. Phil.
Outside 019 FSCV2, inside AS9 FMBD. I have two inside units with the problem and I thought they had separate outside units, but now I look, they are using the same one. So most likely a problem with it.
Hello again. Thanks for the data. Click here for the operating manual. We can study it together. Look over the troubleshooting section. I will be looking over the controls section. Look over page 14 and 15 and tell me which symptoms apply. We can go from there, Phil.
I checked all the things on page 16 against the doesn't operate at all box. I believe that the power is on, the main switch was on but one of the other switches was off. I assume related to the air conditioners, the operation lights have now come on the unit.
Hello again. That's good progress. I need to know what you mean by one of the other switches was off. Tell me if you turned it on, and what it seemed to operate. How is the system working now, Phil?
There was an unmarked switch in the off position. I don't seem to have a fuse box, just safety switches for each area. The air conditioner now beeps and starts, but the air isn't as cold as the one downstairs. I live in Townsville, so there is an air conditioner in every room.
Hello again. We need to put a thermometer in the air coming from the upstairs wall unit and see how much cooler it is than the air in the room up there. That will tell us if the refrigeration for that unit is running, or if the system is low on refrigerant, etc. Also, can you tell me which nation or state Townsville is in? We can go from there, Phil.
Queensland, Australia. I can borrow some stuff from work tomorrow to take the temperature of the air. What sort of a difference should I be seeing? The ambient air temp would be approx 33 C.
Hello again. The air temperature measured at the cold air discharge and return air grill on the coil on the wall should be in the 12 to 15 C range. If you set the control at least 3 degrees cooler than the room temperature, that will force wide open operation. Look this list over and tell me if any are close to you. You do not want one further than 15 or 20 kilometers away. Call first. Make sure they have a good Fujitsu specialist. Grill them a bit on that. Ask their diagnosis fee, and how long they guarantee the repair work. Barker's Refrigeration and Air Conditioning XXXXX War on a QLD 4575, Australia plus 6175493, 6677 middle. Barkerserkin.com.au Entercom Industries Air Conditioning Brisbane XXXXX Salisbury QLD 4107, Australia plus 6173123, 8376 middle. Entercomindustries.com.au 1 Review Air Conditioners Air Conditioning Brisbane Temperatures Fujitsu Air Conditioners Fujitsu Cashback Offer Split Air Entercomindustries.com.au Airlock Services 115 Benson Street, Ormo QLD 4208, Australia plus 61 415 653 408 middle. Airlockservices.com.au Category: Air Conditioning Contractor. Our brands include LG Split Systems and Ducted Air Conditioning, Actron ESP ducted air conditioning, Fujitsu split system and ducted air conditioning. Airlockservices.com.au Signify Air XXXXX Morayfield QLD 4506, Australia +61 410 880 116 middle. Aircons.com.au Air conditioning installation from $360 plus GST ASTA 12 LCC, product info. Fujitsu air conditioning installation from $360 plus GST ASTA 18 LCC, product info. Aircons.com.au Airlock Services 502 9th Hamilton Avenue, Surfers Paradise QLD 4217, Australia +61 1300 275 042 middle. Airlockservices.com.au Category, Air conditioning repair service. Our brands include LG split systems and ducted air conditioning, Actron ESP ducted air conditioning, Fujitsu split system and ducted air conditioning. Airlockservices.com.au Quality Air 166 Riverside Place, Morningside QLD 4170, Australia +61 73395 7633 middle. Qualityac.com.au 2 Reviews Installation and Service middle. Conditioning installation middle. Ducted air conditioning, brands, Actron, Daikin, Fujitsu, Mitsubishi, service and maintenance, green air conditioning, environment, solar, warranty. Qualityac.com.au Baran Air Conditioning 25 Isaac Smith Close, Cora Beach QLD 4879, Australia +61 74057 8314, fax, middle. BaranAirConditioning.com.au Baran Air Conditioning installs all brands of split system air conditioning units but highly recommend Fujitsu General Air Conditioning units for their TrueLocal.com.au I will wait for your temperature test data, we can go from there, Phil.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.